Them a got tired fi see we face. Me say them can't get we out of the race. A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment. Alright, so guys, me have a story when me talk in my live last night. So you know, me always bring back some of the live for me people and go and watch them come on live at 8:30. If you have a story, I want to reach out to me, 8762773254. Condition applies, meaning I'm busy, I do some renovation as I stated earlier. So, depend on the timing, I can cover the story. If not, we have to reschedule it. But anyway, the story we're going to talk about tonight, guys. I'm going to go and look at insight. A man overstayed upon his visa. See? And he meet a Jamaican woman. The Jamaican woman overstay upon her visa too. It was them know each other from Jamaica and then link up. And they make the biggest mistake of them life in the United States of America. And also, I'm going to ask a question tonight. How much I want to watch the show here of a house in Jamaica, have ties to a place in Jamaica? Because with this administration, just like that, click, you can reach back at Jamaica. Anything goes. I'm telling you, so I'm going to find back the project 2025 and read it out too. I'm going to understand some things. Not everything where the administration come with, I go pass it, I go through Congress. We all know that. But at least I can keep up to date to what I go on. You understand? And I'm going to ask a question. You feel safe if you're foreign work for your time, you're supposed to invest in a house at Jamaica. Put it in a comment. Or if you're just done with Jamaica, live a foreign. Dirty Jamaica not really important. Me just live a foreign and live my best life. Whether you're straight or illegal. Let me know what you think about that. But I'm going to hear the story when I talk about while I was explaining it on my live show. Alright? Watch this. Yeah man, so at the time it's like we can't say anything once about the whole immigration saga in America right now. You understand? What I try to say to you now. I say at the time when they deny me, I did feel belittled, I did feel away, and I say, right, I not get to go foreign. And I say, you know what? Why if I not go to America? Easy myself, man. I'm easy. But when I understand with everything what I go on, it's like people have it in their head say, them still want to go to America. Because this big dream and big apple and everything and everybody want a slice of apple. Life is rosy-dozy. What may I say now? Look at the people who did kill out themselves. Figure America. How do you feel now? Eh? How do you feel now? Most of you undocumented, no found a work on the table. See, I covered a story last night. A man said I have a friend, a couple, with the America for 25 years now and them not straight. When you listen to the story, I know if I don't know love in chat. 25 years, then married and live together. Listen to all the situation they're checking out. If you never watch the story, let me explain it to you. The man go up first on a work program, him run off and he overstay. He meet a girl who overstay her visa. While they were dating, the lady was a Christian. No, is a Christian. That we can't use was. Is a Christian. So she make him know straight say, in order for him get look up on she believe in a marriage. Want to listen this good or no? In order for him get look up on hey, hold on. You know what punani mean, guys? Put it in the chat if you know what punani mean. Because more time we have some people who are going to understand different culture. You know what punani mean? Amanda, you know what punani mean? This God talk is nonsense. Which God? Yeezy, YT, everybody have their God with their worship and whatever. Make everybody have their choice, alright? You don't understand what I mean, alright. So now, he love half a girl. Remember now them time there? He say them are 60 now and one are 50 yard. So you know, so 25 years ago she a young girl, she maybe be like to late 20s. 27. Nice girl. She not no kids, nothing. Go up on work program. her name? I forgot her name. I remember HB. She not visa you get for that. I remember. But she said to him, say, listen, if you want me that much, married me, I'm now come out of my church. Remember now, she a come from Jamaica and she overstay. Him a come from Jamaica and overstay. Guess what man do? HB1, thank you. Guess what man do, guys? Guess what man do? He was in love. The man no do nothing more than marry the damn man. I never see something so stupid from the day my born. Remember, no, listen good, no. And nobody can come tell me say him I right thing him do, no. Because anyone only type that no no sense just like him, no. And this is why I tell you no say, yes, love no God, worship no God, but use common sense and knowledge. If you know go do something the right way, or not go do it pan apart until you get yourself straight. The man married the damn woman. Remember now when you married somebody they will run off on a visa too. How the hell you gonna become a citizen? How the hell you gonna be a green card holder? So then just married and live over there undocumented and get comfortable. They trick each other. I can't trick. It cannot be trick. It two of them now on a paper and yet still then go married. Just because the woman tell him so the church she believe in a God and her church, so they have to marry, she not break her whatever commitment to God. That was the situation. So they went ahead and married and see the man said, see there? 20 odd years in America, none of them not straight. I'm going to tell you this tonight. I know enough of you like president. Or $1 million man, that's enough of you like him, Vice President Trump. But, love him or hate him, I think this man coming up power for a wake-up call for most people who was so complacent and living freely and feel say, yes, I am okay, this is life. I don't have to do the right thing. I'm good. I'm not comment if you don't agree with me. We might not like him policy, we might not like him, but I think he come to the forefront for a wake-up call for a lot of people who are skylarking in a foreign. Remember me tell you now. You know, no found never want him win. No found never want him coming up power, but you see what is to be in a life, I just so life stay. Whatever you do in life, it have a way if it catch up on you. It could have been 10, 15, 20 years. I just saw. You know much people me talk to since me I do my local project, cause I do local renovation. I don't get the time to record enough people, cause when they call me, I say I'm busy. You know much people call me at daytime and share a story, I know them a fret. Remember, I did have one for March, I know. I even remember for calling him, say, you want to come fly down. Kind of fire no long and document. And I'm afraid. Love him or hate him, but I just the truth. When you sit down and really look on all of this and say, which other time in America when you see people get so jumpy and busy, paranoid, afraid, scared? Enough of the things when you check it out, as well, let me quote it, because when nobody say, oh, you love the man they rake, people always text me and I say, oh, you sound like, and I'm not love. I just attack and how I see the scale are going when me I seen at the news. Me never know say the people who come across the border, they have a little app where you go up and you sign up. You get this, you get that, you get that, you get this. And look how much I pay a tax, how no money I have to go to them and all of them something. All of that cut off. That in itself, guys, I'm going to be honest. I'm telling you already, I might like the man and some of my policy, but common sense. Some of them people who come, especially from them Guatemala and them country, that are some dangerous people. Imagine they can just go a bomb so. Cut down 3 man, 2 women or a family, jump on one boat, go to Mexico border, in one country. You start a new life, that's it. Just pray that. It messed up thinking about that. I'm not saying good people were left and just say, yeah, we're trying to get a better life. But it open to anybody. You understand? So we understand the part that we have to reason with knowledge, guys. Because if it was Jamaican, was the land of opportunity. And we have all type of them people that come in from all boat and we don't. We demonstrate, look on when Asian them come, what we do with the Asian them? I'm going to show you a little reasoning. When the Asian them land at Jamaica or them come on board, what we do with them? And Haiti are supposed to be one of the closest neighbor. What we do with them? What we do with the Asian them? Sapphire, go on top, rampant, man. Send them back. We send them back home. Don't it? Lord God. We send them back home. Look how we are deport people and I send back people. We don't want them here. You understand? So vice versa. People around them country. We just remember now, guys. We Jamaican, we just try get some of the crumbs, that's what the caller did say. In their fire and get some of the crumbs. That's all we are trying again now. And better ourselves now. I'm gonna say this on the live tonight. Most of you they are foreign, I know a lot of you guys scared of Jamaica and scared of building back something in Jamaica. In this time, wanting to think twice. Uno know say, no matter how they are foreign and successful, when you come to Jamaica is a different feeling. You feel like you're there home. Correct me if I'm right. Wrong or right. When you there all over in a cola work and when you there all about and you feel look left and right or whatever. When you come to Jamaica, you feel one different presence like I don't know if I enable to cut your hour. You just feel at home. You just feel like you're fit in. You just feel at ease. You never get the feeling there. You know over there says like you just a little. You see one white milk and you see one little black ants tonight, like say you just that. But when you come to Jamaica, you just feel freelance. You feel like you there. It's like you know so you there home. You don't have the feeling there. I just say love and just the feeling. You just feel different. Yeah, man. So, as I say, guys, them thing is an eye opener. We talk about them thing. We know if I want to like we talk about it. We can talk about it in some different aspect and twist it. It's a wake up call for a lot of us who over foreign 15, 20 years. Who say, alright, yeah, this is it. I'm going to tell you, this is just the first part. Things are going to get more drastic as time goes by. When I go hear about some different type of cases that come out. Remember me telling you on the live February 21st or 20th, I don't remember which today how much. But remember, this is just the beginning. Whole heap of things are going to go on. Whole heap. So I tell you now, if you don't know where did I say when done with Jamaica, when this is Jamaica, when that, think twice. If you can set up, if you can build, if you want to go buy, if you want to go through whatever, just have a plan B for anything. Cause anything goes right now. Let's be frank. Anything goes. I get complacent and comfortable and say, oh, that can't reach me because I this, me that. We don't know. That's all I can tell you. Because some things when I read up and see on the internet with this project 2025, we're not coming full effect yet. You have to go put on a seatbelt and brace for yours. Alright? It's coming. So, that was just my word too now. So I say, go Jamaica nice bad. Jamaica is so nice. I just a little bad mind and a little killing and the foolishness where everybody I run from, you know? It is so, but no matter how much murder down here take place at Jamaica, we still a fly down come. If we not have to come. We don't notice? Because we are fearless. We Jamaicans are fearless. We no business about nothing. We just know say we are we are come to do business. We're not mix up, we are doing thing and we're going to do business. Yes, sometimes things happen, but I just saw life is like that. You understand? So that's how I look upon it. So you go stay away from the mix up. Kitchen, good night, amen. Long time coming to my dad funeral next month. Oh, Lala humble, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. If then did plant some jackfruit and mango, coconut tree, them would big up the people where they are foreign and make a difference for them life. Making life easier for their kids and so. But we are talking about people where they are foreign and idle, man. You know? Idle. And it's so unfortunate that the couple that I spoke about, them living in fear right now, because they don't know what is what. So, one must know. It's sad. But, you know, something makes some decision in a life, you know, aren't you know, but 25 years, there's so much years it take, 25 years down the line, things just take a twist, so that's how you go. Don't burn your bridges. I'm from the country. I love it. Veronica Clark, good night. Big up yourself. Thank you. God for America. Josset Williams, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. They will be okay. Hope so. Ivan Point. We are free. As the man say, I God pray. Dear man, in your renovation, start do a Airbnb. Maybe further down me think about that. Yeah, maybe further down me think about that. That's a good idea. I think about it a couple times. Well, something to think about. Yeah. Then don't have nothing to come back to in Jamaica. Well, I understand that still, but I say if you never plan to do it already, try start now. You understand? Try start now. If you are 50 and over, it can take you 3-4 years to build a house at Jamaica. Work, save your money, buy your thing them little, and start them. You know, when you hear the stories, people want to not build anything of foreign people, take on a full rubber no material, but just try to find somebody where you can trustworthy, where you can balance the thing for you. If you don't do it already, it doesn't matter. If you own a house, if you never do it when you're 40, 50, you're 60, and you have a couple of years, you can work and do it. Just have it as a plan B. You get what I say? Yeah, so no know, say, well, at this, I can come down to whatever, if push come to shove, anything. Alright, that's just my 2 cents. My opinion doesn't mean me have to follow me, but that's what more I do. That's my advice. Good night.
Hey, dear man.
Wagwan.
How things? Okay, we just hear that guy talking, you need a visa and American passport. Why would you need a visa if you have an American passport?
Yeah, that was the comment that I saw. It was real. Sometimes people talk, but I don't know if you try. You should have said need a visa in the other book. Yeah, maybe at that you might try say. Yeah, but sometimes we talk and sometimes we know kind of articulate or one say the thing and it come off wrong. So maybe I slip. But if you post the video there, yeah, you know, somebody, I never have an official page. Somebody just post it on Instagram. So, but with common sense and reason, I can understand. So I must that him a try say. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So example now, say, alright, let me tell you where me get where I try say. What he's trying to say, if you're going to travel on your Jamaican passport, see? I think he might try say if you have a visa in it. Which would make sense if he is already an American citizen. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's the confusion there, because I saw people were commenting. So I'm glad they pick up that still answer.
Yeah, man. I listen to everything we're going on. I see some of them trying to talk stuff when they really go so and make it look bad on other people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. All right. What a time.
All right, my G, big up.
All right, cool.
Mm-hmm. That's it for the night. Them juice are fresh. They're fresh, but they're nice and they're cold. Very refreshing and nice. Yeah, guys. So African visa need to know to go on. Good night, Master Damien. Alright, so Master call me. Master want Master get to me, huh? With my big fired Master Damien, alright? Yeah. But on old man, you know. Tap plot up it and something. Well, I shave up. And look certain way. Yeah, man. So I say you go. American and Jamaica, nice. Big up yourself, man. But just I put 2 and 2 together and I make people wise up now. I just I tell you, say, this man not coming up power for a hiccup. It just was meant to happen for give us a wake up cause of people depend on keys and Q and understand. So nothing in life is forever. Just do what you gotta do. You get what I say? That's the main thing. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I think I see the video too.
Mm-hmm.
He is an American citizen, right?
Yeah.
I think some country, some US citizen have a visa to come in a them country.
Oh, so that thing did mean?
I think that thing mean.
Oh, cause true, I know. I left in the country for true. Yes.
It's not every country America can go in a visa free. You must get visa for some country.
I think that true you talking, brother. I think that the person. I think that the man mean, you know. Cause he did say can't. Yeah. I think that thing did I try say. But I think so once you have American book, you can just go in any country. I never know say some countries. As I think that the passport then American passport not the most powerful passport in the world.
Yes, but it's the agreement where America and certain country have. Like if them need visa for coming to America, the country are gonna link them back with a visa restriction also.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Yep.
So we want visa for go to America and the American does go. No, anyway, we live off of tourism, so we can't do no better.
Yes. So if a country, if a next country powerful too, man say, you don't need visa for come over here so too.
I think I see something like that in Mexico now. Say US citizens require visa now. So I don't know how that go. Figure out Mexico.
They must flip back the script. Because remember, Mexico make things, you know. Mexico manufacture things too. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So them can survive off of them resources by creating things and export it and sell. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of countries have visa restriction against America too.
Oh, I never know. I think so once you have the American passport book there, you can't go anywhere in the world. So I know I one of the most powerful country. I never know.
Hell no. If you listen to some people's story too, when them go in a certain country, them get detained, secondary inspection, because them is an American. It's not every country of America. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Somebody said the most powerful passport is the Norwegian passport.
Yeah, so I think the brother is an African, so him using African book to go home. But him said that's no more again. Just like when we did hear upon your show.
Right, I think that's the point. Yeah.
People must stop it, else they might get in trouble.
Right, that's what the point. Yeah, that's the point he was trying to make.
It look like the when they become American, it look like your country passport no good again. You are an American citizen now.
Yeah, because you're swearing and take it out and things so. Why would they need that? So that was the thing where they did keep telling callers, but then keep saying, oh, mix up bars, me just come back one day and I eat me use. Oh, mix up bars, nothing I go so me just this. So I say, all right, make it stay. Also, me and Earl was saying, under this new administration, please be vigilant and be smart. Don't do nothing, because you slip your slide. Oh, me need to call the lady and ask her about the girl that's stuck out here. We use our 2 book. I can call her morning, ask her what the update.
Yeah. Yeah. It look like it'll get serious for real.
Yeah, but people not take it. They might take it for joke and things and nothing can go so. I could say.
Yeah, I serious thing because I check say a joke thing, but it happen to people here now. So, you know, people will start video and say, yo, see it I mean at the airport and a real thing.
Right.
You see me? You are American citizen, you don't give up no country, so you are only American.
That the man has said.
The man basically has said, so your country where you born, you give up that. They might not take your book like some country would have say, yo, all right, you have to leave your book. We can't take it. We contact your country. You understand? I make them know, say, you swear allegiance to us and you give up your citizenship to your born land.
All right.
You see me?
Big up yourself and a great dad. All
Respect,
right.
you know.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, guys, so, yeah, man, so a man call me today and him say, one of the biggest mistake he make, he never buy a piece of land in Jamaica when he reach a fire in 1989. He said he take a while for him straight and he never plan to come back, so, you know, and for know, say, I don't know people they are frying for me in the 80s and the street, 2024. I can't believe, I don't know, I take time to talk, I don't want people come for me again and say, I don't understand what the thing said. I can't believe. A whole heap of years that, you know, guys. You know, and it's sad. So I can understand why somebody would want to invest back in a Jamaica if so long you stay out of the country. Because you don't want to just rub butter in a puss mouth. Because people are going to say you can't come back and they might chicken and scam you. So, that I go on and what I go on. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go on. Thanks for watching. Big up on yourself. I'm coming live. And big up in nice subscribers them. Big up everybody on the live show. I love you. Thanks for your support. Everything will get back to normal. What is under my nose? I'm out.